exciting po yung araw na to kasi po meron po tayong pag-uusapan na magpapadali ng buhay natin. Ano ba
Yun.
to, Joel? Ano bang magpapadali sa buhay natin?
Oo nga. Mapapadali ang buhay natin kapag hindi natin in-introduce ang sarili natin. Introduce muna natin. Baka may mga bago na nakakaano sa atin dito. Anyway, ako muna. Ako si Brother Joel de Guzman, Regional Coordinator ng North Luzon.
At syempre po, ako po si Sister Rachel Sasing, ang Regional Coordinator ng South Luzon, Leyte and Bohol.
Sasagutin
Yon.
natin yung question mo kanina. Sabi mo kanina, ang speaker natin, parang tutulungan tayo para mapadali yung mga tasks, especially sa mga negosyo natin. Usually kasi, ang observation ko, nag-stay ako sa academy for almost 8 years na ngayon. Nakaka-witness na nahihirapan yung mga entrepreneur natin na sa kanilang mga business, kunwari yung mga income statement, kung paano gawin to, and then yung data gathering, alam mo ba, at the same time, yung mga break-even, hindi nila alam kung paano gawin. And then nagtatanong sila kung kani-kanino, and then sometimes nabibigyan sila ng mga maling information. Ikaw ba, na-experience mo to, kapatid na Retsa?
Siguro yung as an entrepreneur kasi, overwhelmed kasi yung mga ginagawa natin. Parang we're thinking about the operation, daily operation. We're thinking about yung growth ng business and we're thinking about partnership and everything, no? So lahat yun ginagawa natin. And sometimes, pag nagsisimula ka talaga, pati pagharap sa customer, ginagawa mo yon, no? Pero sabi nga, meron namang madaling paraan na ngayon yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Ano yung madaling paraan? Pero bago natin ipasok yung madaling paraan na yon, i-welcome muna natin si Red Acosta para sa ating early birds. Para ma-break lang muna sa topic natin. Yan.
Yan,
Sige.
correct. Sige, sige. Yan, good. So, alam mo,
Ayan.
napapansin ko kay kapatid na Reden, yung ating regional coordinator. Ang dami niya yata ang damit.
Okay.
So, yun.
Madami talaga yan. Papamigay natin ano kaya. Yung po mga nanonood ngayon, meron pa po tayong mga nagagandang events mamaya, bukas, hanggang sa Sabado po. Kaya patuloy po tayo magpapamigay ng t-shirts hanggang ongoing ating week-long business conference celebration natin ngayon, no? So, unahin na po natin ngayon ang mananalo para sa early birds. Nakuha ko po itong first nung pag-open ko, nakita ko kagad yung itong mga nandito. So, sila po yung mga entitled manalo. Umikot na po ating tambiolo. Tingnan natin kung sino ang unang bibigyan natin ng t-shirt sa araw na ito.
Early bird yan, early bird.
Early birds. Ayan, meron na po tayong panalo. Kilala ko pa ito. Si Brother John Villalon, ang chapter president ng Cagayan de Oro Central.
Wow,
Wow,
congratulations.
Ayan,
congratulations.
congratulations.
Triple X po yan ang size niya.
Brother John, nandito po ba kayo? Magparamdam po kayo kung nandito kayo at maibigay po namin ng inyong t-shirt. Okay. So, yun lang. Back to you guys.
Okay. So, para po sa nanalo po ng t-shirt, just type your name, your address, and contact number. Kasi padadalhan po kayo ng t-shirt ng aming operation on that. Okay? Congratulations po sa winner. So, kaya po sa susunod, maaga po kayong maten sa Zoom natin para makasama po kayo sa ating ruleta. Okay, balik po tayo sa ating session for this morning. So, sabi nga po natin, overwhelm ang mga entrepreneur. Marami tayong iniisip. Pero kailangan gumawa tayo ng paraan kung saan magiging madali ang buhay natin. Sabi nga, stop doing everything. No? So ngayon po, ipipresent po namin ang ating guest speaker ngayon. So Joel, pwede mo bang i-present?
Okay. Ang ating speaker ngayon, he is a digital marketing strategist, a business coach, and agency founder with over 15 years of experience helping individuals and business grow smarter and faster through marketing systems and empowered leadership.
Yon. At syempre, siya rin ay founder ng digital marketing agency na nagsiserve international clients across various industries, no? At syempre, meron din siyang ROI-focused strategies, delivery-proven na yung ginagawa niya. And locally, he leads a business and leadership consulting firm that helps startup and small medium enterprise in the Philippines para to build scalable system. Paano ba lalaki yung ating mga business? And nagka-craft din siya ng mga effective marketing strategies, improve customer relationship, and empower their team.
Yan. At the same time, he is also respected work from home career coach. Mentoring is inspiring virtual assistants and freelancers to launch and grow sustainable online careers.
Yun, syempre, down to earth din si Brother Suwan, no? And siya po ang chapter president ng ating Puerto Princesa, Palawan chapter. And he's specialized in making complex tool. Siya po gumagawa like AI, automation, digital marketing, simple, actionable, and effective, even from non-techie entrepreneurs. So kung hindi ka ganun ka-techie, tuturuan ka ni Brother Suwan paano mo magagawa ang lahat ng to.
Yan. Whether you're starting out, shifting from manual to digital, or looking to grow with clarify and confidence, ang ating speaker is here to guide us with tools, strategies, and systems that work in the real world. So ladies and gentlemen, ang ating speaker ngayon, palakpakan po natin, kapatid na Retzel, ang pangalan niya ay?
Si Brother Suwan Kina Tuwan. Yun. Welcome po,
Palakpakan po
brother. Palakpakan po
Okay.
natin. And
Good morning
let's
po,
listen to
and thank you for that wonderful introduction. Thank you, Brother Joel, and thank you, Sister Rachel. So, I'm also grateful for this time na nandito ako sa inyong harapan. Siguro in the interest of time, I would like to share with you my presentation. Okay, let's share that first. Share screen. Okay. Okay. Okay, so again, I would like to thank Brother Joel and Sister Rachel for this wonderful introduction. And today I'm here to talk to you about a very common problem or concerns with the startups and how I can empower you and help you. So they mentioned about background about me, which is I'm in the digital marketing industry and also an agency owner. But with all of those background, I want you to forget all of that and focus on what we're going to discuss today, because this presentation or this time is for you. So again, I would like to greet you a wonderful morning for all of you entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs and startups. I would like to extend my appreciation to your honor, to honor you in your commitment sa pag-take ng time to attend today. And I know that it is one step that you can do to improve your business and grow. But before we proceed to my presentation, I would like also to thank you, whether you're watching here live or if you're watching the recording. And I would like to thank you for participating in this business conference. And also, we extend appreciation din sa nag-organize ng conference na ito. So before I begin again, I would like to extend right away a special bonus for you as the one who attended here or maybe watching live. If you want to get an AI starter toolkit for entrepreneurs, I prepared that for you. You can register on the link below na nasa screen natin or scan the QR code. So I will be sending you within 24 hours the toolkit and the discussion that all the discussion that I provided here para po makatulong sa inyong business. So if you're interested to that, I invite you to register and scan the QR code para may send ko siya sa inyo in your emails. Okay, so today we're going to be discussing about one of the biggest tools that changing how small businesses grow, businesses like you, especially in this modern era of technology. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed doon, I would like to give you a little pop quiz. Okay, so how many of you can relate with this? If you're watching in Zoom, I would like to invite you to comment yes in the chat, or if you're watching this live on Facebook, you can comment in the comment box if this is you. Okay, my first question is, how many of you can relate to this? You're the one, you create your own Facebook posts in your business, means you promote your own product, or you write your content on Facebook. Okay, type yes again if this is you. You reply every customer personally. Okay. And also you do your own marketing, the planning and packing. Type yes in the chat or in comment section if that's you. And you feel like you're the team, or you feel you do all things alone. Type yes if that relates to you. Okay. So sinabi nila, if we can see, thank you very much for, I saw the chats here, typing yes. And I believe plenty of people or a lot of people can relate to that. Okay, so sabi nila, kapag nag-start ka ng business, your life will be a lot easier. And I would like to show you some photos or images that somehow, I don't know if it can relate to you or not, but if this is true to you, type T in the comment section or in the chat box. Kung totoo ito, type T. Kung false naman, kung di totoo sa'yo, type F. Okay? So, look to your screen and see the image that I'm presenting. Okay. This is about what your friends thinks we do as an entrepreneur. And also, what things maybe our mom or relative we do as an entrepreneur. What society thinks about us as business owner and entrepreneurs, and what our customer thinks, and also what we think we do, and what we actually do. So if you can relate to that, if this is true to you, type T in the comment or in the chat box. If not, type F. Okay? Next image. Imagine na yung nag-start tayo when try to plan, and then nag-start na tayo ng activity natin to start a business. We are so excited, talagang very empowered. Nandun yung energy, yung smile in our face. And then when we start running our business, well, it looks like this. Some of you can relate. Yeah, I see a lot of T or true, right? Okay. And also when talking to our friends, minsan meron tayong mga friend, oh, I already have a job or 40-hour-a-week job. And then mag-flashback sa atin yung ganung experience. Oh, parang yan yung part-time job ko before. Ayan. Because when you started a business, before, if we're working in the corporate or in our own, in different sectors, kung saan tayo nagtrabaho before nag-start ng business, we usually work 8 hours a day or 40 hours a week. Now, as an entrepreneur, sometimes we are required, or most of the time, we are required to work 8 to 10 hours, or maybe some of the entrepreneurs works 12 to 15 hours per day. So, a lot of us started a business because we thought we're going to receive yung inaasam natin na freedom. Tama po ba? What's your motivation when you start a business? Most of us, gusto natin ng freedom. Gusto natin wala tayong boss. Gusto natin control natin yung time. Gusto natin mahaba yung oras natin para sa ating family. And gusto natin magkaroon tayo ng mas malaking income. The concern is, somewhere along the way, we found ourselves working more and then we sleep less. Sometimes even when you go to bed, no? Pupunta ka na sa bed mo, matutulog ka na lang, meron pong magpa-pop up sa cellphone mo because may client that needs to be entertained. Or there's a call na mayroong something na nangyari sa iyong business. Maybe may di inaasahang pangyayari. Yan. Yung real talk talaga pag nag-start ka ng business, the reality is, business is hard. Kaya nila pag sinabi na business, automatic umuulan ng pera. But that's not the case. The reality is, it's hard. Especially when you are a startup. The good thing about it is that you don't have to do it alone this time. Okay? So if you're tired of doing everything, if you think you have no time for strategy or rest because you do a lot of things, and if you feel stuck, even if you're trying hard, kahit na yung ginagawa mo lahat, you feel na still stuck ka, here's the good news for you, brothers and sisters. You are not behind. You are not behind. You are just being prepared and just ready for better tools that you can use to be better or to grow your business. But this is the $1 million what if for you. And I would like you to think of this carefully. Okay? What if you had a team member who works 24/7 without sleep, who never asks for a salary, and who replies to your customers in seconds, as in like a bullet in seconds, and who writes plans and help you think in your business. What do you think would be the impact of that team member to your business? Ilang oras kaya yung mababawi mo? Ano kaya yung ilang stresses kaya yung mababawas sa stresses mo? Okay? So, and that's what AI can be for you. So, in this whole week, we are being fed with a lot of information, beginning nung umpisa pa lang nung Monday with Brother Sherwin, and I believe it will last until sa end of the week. So, there are a lot of ways that we can learn about AI, but this time, I want to maximize your time, this time given to me by the Academy, to help you how we can maximize AI. And today, again, I will give you the free view. So, imagine mo, so paano ba ituturo ni Brother Mike yung AI sa akin for the span of 1 hour? So, right now, I will give you the preview of the things that you can do with AI. Let's find out what is possible, no? But before that, I would like you to ask this question to yourself. What's the cost to you of doing everything alone? Siguro, let's pause a second, a minute, and think of the processes of your business. How many time or gaano kadaming oras ang nire-render mo or ginugugol mo sa business mo ngayon? And ano yung cost nun sa'yo? Maaring masabi mo, ano kung nag-away? Comment back or collaborated with, and some people that I met in seminars. So it cost them, number one, burnout. We are not machines. So napapagod tayo. Maybe in the first 2 to 3 weeks, we are in a high energy. And after a month, yes. And then we realize, oh, come on. Parang ito na lang yung routine ng buhay ko. Gising sa umaga, punta sa business, trabaho maghapon, uwi, pagod, and then kakain ka na lang, magre-reply pa sa customers, and then imbis na magkaroon ka ng time sa family, wala na natutulog ka na lang. And then sadly, sa pagtulog mo, inaagambala ka pa ng business mo. So it causes you burnout. And also, it delayed your growth. Hindi lang yung business natin yung nag-grow, brothers and sisters. The business owners must grow as well. And kapag ginagawa mo yung lahat ng bagay, you delay your growth as well. Hindi lang yung business, pati ikaw mismo as an owner. Kasi wala ka ng time eh. for growth. Other cost is ito, you miss customers. Why? What if, kung halimbawa as a business owner, ikaw na yung nag-i-entertain sa customer, ikaw nag-take ng order, ikaw pa yung magpa-process ng order niya, ikaw din yung mag-shift ng order, ikaw pa yung mag-send sa kanya ng ng follow-up kung okay na, na-receive niya yung order niya, tapos ikaw pa yung sasagot ng phone, or marami, lahat. Imbis na isa lang ginagawa mo, marami. So, meron mga customers na ayaw nilang nag-aantay. I can relate to this one personally. So, I'm the kind of customer na syempre, medyo busy tayo or medyo marami tayong schedules na hinahabol. So, I don't have time to wait. So, there are a lot of customers like that. So, na-miss natin yung opportunity sa customer. Why? Because instead of entertaining a lot of customers, again, we are human, one at a time lang tayo makakapagbigay sa kanila ng oras. So, instead na mayroon tayong mga customer pa na babalik, hindi na kasi sabi na, ayaw kong pumunta sa business na yan. Masyadong matagal yung waiting, no? Masyadong mabagal yung proseso nila. So, if that is the cost, what do you think you would do? Another thing is, it costs you a lot sa time, no? Wala ka ng time to strategize. So, dahil sa wala ka ng time na mag-strategize, kung ano na lang napanood mo sa TikTok, sa Reels, or ano yung narinig mo sa kaibigan mo or someone else, implement agad without thinking, without planning. Kasi feel mo, tama yun, na-prove na nila, okay na yun. So, hindi natin na-review na kung fit ba yun sa business natin. Wala tayong time because most of our time has been taken by our business. The good thing is, or the good thing about this is you don't need more hours, no? Sa totoo lang, a lot of business, kala nila kapag kinakausap ko sila or when the time that I talk to some of the business owners, especially pag nag-visit kami or during the lectures, Brother Mike, gusto kong gawin yan pero parang kulang yung oras natin. Sabay, di ba kung a-analyze natin, di ba lahat-lahat naman tayo, mayroon tayong 24 hours, na? So actually, if you're doing all of that, a lot of tasks for your business, what you need, you don't need a lot of hours. Okay? What you need is leverage. Kailangan nyo ng leverage. Okay. Yun. Kailangan nyo ng leverage. And when we say leverage, especially sa business natin, it can also refer to a strategic advantage that allows you to be more effective and achieve more with less time or fewer time and resources. That's what leverage do in your business. Yan yung kailangan mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming oras. And that's where AI comes in. AI, very popular siya sa time natin ngayon. No? Started actually 2022. Matagal na yung AI, pero nag-boom siya and nag-popularize siya, especially in our era today. Pero the question is, as a business owner, ano ba yung AI na yan na sinasabi niya? Or ano ba yung AI na sinasabi ni Brother Mike? Or ano ba yung artificial intelligence? Do you have any idea or background? What is an AI? Can you comment in the chat box your understanding about this? In chat box or in the comment section. What's AI para sa inyo? Okay? When we say AI, it is a smart tools that think and writes for you. Okay. Hindi ito yung scary robots like the Terminators or yung mga AI movies na napapanood natin. It's not like that. That is robotics. Okay? So, although it's run by AI, but that's not AI. Okay? So, it's not scary. Hindi siya yung parang gugunawin or take over niya yung mundo. It's not like that. And AI is built not just for expert. It's built actually for non-tech expert. Huh? Hindi yung mga, ito ay, remember naman, alamin naman siguro natin yung purpose ng technology. It will help us make our life easier. So, to use AI para mas mapadali yung buhay natin, hindi siya ginawa para sa mga experts, no? It's also built for non-expert, non-tech expert. Okay? So, It's like a 24/7 assistant that is fast, cheap, and very reliable. Okay, so imagine that you have someone in your team who is fast, cheap, and reliable, and never ask for salary, like I mentioned earlier, and works 24/7. How good can your business be? Okay. But the question is, Brother Mike, talaga bang kailangan yan ngayon? Why AI is matters now for my business? Eh, pwede namang hindi. Nag-survive naman yung business ko kahit na hindi. Bakit kailangan ko ngayon yan, yung AI sa business ko? And bakit kailangan kong i-implement yan or integrate sa mga processes ko? Okay. Number one reason, because your competitors are using it. Imagine in your market, in your area, sa time nyo ngayon, kung saan man yung business ninyo. You're there with your business, and then lahat ng mga katulad mong business, they are start using AI now. Okay? So, would you let your business to be left behind? Gusto mo bang mangyari yan? Also, your time is limited. Maybe right now you can do a lot of tasks on your own. You can do it well. Pero again, we all have 24 hours to work. And our life doesn't evolve just on business. Meron pa tayong family, meron tayong personal life, meron tayong, if you're serving the church, meron tayong responsibilities pang kailangan i-fulfill. So, your time is limited. Also, your business can grow manually forever. Maaaring sabihin mo, brother, yung business ko kasi, sa manual na ginagawa namin, mas efficient siya, mas madali. And if you're watching this video right now, I believe you want your business to grow. And if you want your business to grow, kailangan mo ng AI to automate system because you cannot sustain your business forever by doing manually. Bakit? Kasi yung tao na ano yan na uubos yung oras natin kung buha tayo may lifespan tayo. Yung mga tauhan natin will come and go or will find someone else. So, kailangan mo na naman mag-train uli ng bago to replace them or yung iba nag-retire na. So, okay. So, yun. Kailangan mong integrate yung AI. Kaya siya mahalaga sa time natin. AI is the fastest way to multiply your results right now, as in your results, without multiplying your stresses. And sino po ba dito yung nagtayo ng business na hindi na-stress? I would like to learn from you. If hindi ka talaga na-stress sa business mo, gusto ko rin matuto sa inyo kung paano nyo ginawa, you know? Why is that when? Okay, I see the chat. So, siguro mamaya ko lang entertain yung chat. Si brother Joel and Sister Rachel will learn from that. Pero nakikita ko yung chat ninyo. Continue to chat there. We will address that somehow later in the conversation. Okay, ito yung mga naririnig ko, brothers and sisters. When we talk about AI, siguro sa akin medyo familiar na siya kasi it's part of my business and 80% of my agency is run by AI automation. So, that's why I'm very passionate of talking to you about artificial intelligence. Pero ito yung mga normal na naririnig ko or na nare-receive ko from the members or from the business owners. Hindi ako techie. Okay. Baka mahirap yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. Yung cellphone ko nga na Android ngayon or iPhone, nahihirapan na akong gamitin lahat. So, probably hindi ko kaya yung AI na yan. Mukhang matindi from the word pa lang. Pero, if you can use Facebook, if you can use Facebook right now, kung talagang gumagamit ka ng Facebook, you can use a ChatGPT or other AI tools. No? Very popular si ChatGPT across different industries, talagang popular si ChatGPT. So if you can use Facebook, you can use the ChatGPT. Second, they say, Brother Mike or Brother Sue, I don't have time. Wala akong oras. Okay? So punong-puno na nga yung schedule ko. Paano pa ako mag-aaral ng AI? Wala na akong time. Here's the thing, brothers and sisters. if you find the right AI, it will save you more than 10 hours a week. And imagine this. You take that 10 hours per week na save, ilagay mo to sa harapan mo yung 10 hours na to. Ano kaya yung pwede kong gawin pa dito? That is 40 hours per month. No? And just is barely the minimum. Like me, marami nagtatanong sa akin minsan, Brother Mike, bakit, I know you're working and you are running a business, pero bakit lagi kita nakikita sa simbahan doing your calling? Or bakit nakaka-attend ka pa ng seminars? Ba't nakaka-host ka pa ng events? Paano mo nagagawa all of that? While my business is busy, it doesn't require me to be there all the time because more than half of my processes are being automated by AI. That's what's AI do for my business. And I believe at this minimum of 10 hours a week, it can save you time. Remember this. Kapag na-integrate ka ng AI, yung isang task lang na ma-automate mo, it will give you more time to grow because the 10 hours will be ample enough to dedicate it to some other tasks as well, to learn, to grow, or to improve your business without doing the task that can be done by AI. Number 3 na naririnig ko sa mga attendees ng seminars or sa mga businesses na nakakausap ko is, mahal siguro yan. Baka mahal yan, brother. I can't afford it. Parang manipis pa yung bulsa ko. Hindi pa kaya. Brothers and sisters, if you're running a business, here's the thing. I know you have, especially a startup has limited budget. Pero somehow, yung negosyo natin will not grow if we give a little bit of investment, no? Maglaan tayo ng a little bit of investment. If not, magstay lang yung business natin. It's part of the growth of the business to add ng extra. Pero, here's the good part. Maraming AI are free. So, hindi mo kailangan magbayad sa karamihan ng mga AI na pwede mo gamitin to implement yung AI sa business mo. And some of those are under 1,000 per month. If you reap the benefit, if you're trying to think of the benefits, no? If the AI can do 2 to 3 people's tasks in your business, would 1,000 per month be a big challenge for you? Mas mahal pa yung mag-hire, di ba, ng tao. Pero huwag niyo i-fire yung mga tao niyo. I-train niyo yung mga tao niyo to be more effective using AI. Baka sabihin niyo, okay, so once I implement the AI, i-fire out ko na yung aking mga tauhan. That's not a good thing, no? This is not the purpose of this workshop. The purpose is to help your business. If you have good people, train them to use AI so that it will benefit for your business. Okay, so I'll be presenting to you some of the AI tools that I believe you can use right away to implement to your business. And this is mostly free. And meron ding option to upgrade. Pero magagamit mo na siya kaagad right in the end of this discussion. Okay, so by the way, brothers and sisters, if you're watching this on Facebook on live, show us your presence. No? You communicate, you interact, you can even ask questions that we can address later. Also, hindi ako promoter nito, hindi tayo bayad para i-promote yung mga tools na to. I just found it helpful sa business ko. At the same time, I believe it will be very helpful sa business ninyo. Number 1 is ChatGPT. Okay. So, how about DeepSeek daw? May nakita ko dyan. You can use DeepSeek as well. Pero kung gusto mo ng beginner-friendly rin talaga, it depends, brother or sister, kung saan mo siya gagamitin and kung saan ka mas comfortable. So right now, what I'm presenting to you is the very popular one that you can implement right away sa business mo. Okay? Nandiyan yung ChatGPT. Bakit very popular si ChatGPT? Nag-start yung official launch si ChatGPT begins in last November 2022. Siya yung nauna. Okay? Yung ChatGPT. And from ChatGPT, pagkalabas pa lang ng ChatGPT, hindi kagad yung naging available sa Philippines. It was launched November, tapos nung malaman naman yun, syempre we are in the digital industry and the good part of our business sa part namin is we're connected outside the Philippines. So masyado kami medyo advanced yung info na nakarating sa amin ng specialist development ng AI kasi nakasubscribe kami sa mga international news din as well. So ChatGPT was launched November 2022 and after naging available siya December, isa ako doon sa mga mapalad na kasi fill up din ako sa waiting list nila. And by December, I already have access to ChatGPT of 2022. By January, I spend a lot of money to train my team for prompt engineering to help yung team ko maintindihan nila kung paano ba nila ma-maximize itong bagong tool na to. And with ChatGPT integration, nagsulputan yung thousands of AI now. Including nandiyan na si Copilot, si Cloud, si Gemini, si DeepSeek, lahat yan nag-benefit because ChatGPT was launched. So, yung mga iba integration nila, they learn. So, I will not call them copycat because they have their own features, but they took a lot from ChatGPT. And ChatGPT, you can access it for free. At the same time, kung gusto mo mag-upgrade, pwede siya at least 1,200 per month. Nandiyan yung Copilot then if you're using Microsoft computer. And you can also download that. I access that in the browser. I believe si Brother Sherwin last Monday nabanggit niya na yung Copilot ay ginagamit niya. Okay? So it's like ChatGPT as well. It can generate content. It can generate ng ideas. It can generate photos. So, okay. The next thing is the Canva. Canva before is just a design tool. But when lumabas yung AI, nagkaroon sila ng AI din. And the good part, Canva, you can benefit from that even for free version. Kahit hindi ka mag-upgrade, marami ka nang magagawa sa Canva. Okay, the next thing is, I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, with this one, the Bootcake. If you're visiting siguro one of the pages ng mga pina-follow nyong sellers or mayroong nag-ads, tapos naging interest kayo, tapos message nyo yung page nila, mayroong nagre-reply sa inyo automatically. Usually, it's either ManyChat or Bootcake or mayroon namang Pancake, mayroon ding JHL automation. So, itong Bootcake na to, that's why the reason why I include it in the presentation because yung free version pa lang nila, you can do a lot na. I think they offer 500 messages, no? 500,000 characters sa messaging. Sa free version pa lang yun. And if you're running a solo business or if your business is running sa mga pages, you can integrate that and it will take a lot of time bago mo ma-consume yung 500,000, di ba? Same true with ManyChat. ManyChat is the one also that sometimes replies us when we inquire sa mga pages na binibisita natin. It also inquires send us message sa Instagram or yung mga automated na message natin. Okay, the next thing is the CapCut. Bakit ko in-include yung CapCut? It is a video editing tool. Unang-una, it's a no-brainer. Madali siyang tools, hindi katulad ng mga tools talaga na ginagamit before like Adobe tools. Talagang kailangan mo ng knowledge about it. So these tools you can do it parang just like doing Facebook, no? CapCut also has an AI version. It can generate content. It can generate video in just few clicks. And kung talagang gusto mo ng mas magandang result, syempre mas user-friendly naman yung kanyang mga tools. Okay? At marami po pong ibang AI tools na pwede nyo gamitin sa inyong business. But this in your screen, you can also take a screenshot now and search that later. And by the way, the good part about these tools, it will be included doon sa ibibigay ko sa inyong toolkit. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, or if you haven't registered to that event page na sinend ko sa inyo, para kung saan maisisend ko sa inyo yung toolkit, it's your time to register now. Save the link or scan the QR right now. Ayan. Okay, so within 24 hours after this presentation, we will send you assets, the toolkit that will help you, including yung mga AI na nabanggit ko and more. Marami pang AI akong isasama doon. Okay? And last objection na na-receive ko, which is very popular is I'm doing it fine right now. Yung business ko ay nagra-run siya kahit na na hindi ko nakagamitan ng technology. It's good, actually. Kung ganun yung business mo, hindi na kailangan gamitan ng AI, ay nagra-run siya smoothly, nakukuha mo yung desired mo na kita every month, that's great. However, it could be better, right? Especially if you're attending right now or watching this video. You believe that kahit na maganda yung business mo, okay yung ginagawa niya, you attend this seminar or workshop because you want to learn more and you want to grow more your business. So what if sa business mo, if it's doing fine now, what if it could you reply faster sa customers mo? What if you can create more content para sa business mo, sa mga campaigns mo, sa marketing mo? What if you can plan more clearly sa business mo if you have to fix something in your workflows? Would that benefit you, yung AI? Di ba? So would it improve your processes? So if you're doing fine now, integrate mo pa yung AI, yung scale ng business mo, mas madali siya. Although hindi naman totally smoothly, pero mas magaan sa balikat mo. Here's the real talk talaga pagdating sa startup and small, medium enterprise. Ito yung real talk and I believe you already relate to this one. Most of us, when we're starting, we do too many roles in our business. Why? Because we don't have enough capital to hire a person in every department, no? Unang-una, inaalam muna natin yung business, usually tayo lahat yung gumagawa. And also, reality check, wala talaga tayong time for content strategy. Sometimes we hire someone to do it, tapos hindi naman masusunod yung gusto natin, so okay na lang yon dahil wala ka na rin time gumawa para sa sarili mo. Tatanggapin mo na lang. So, the reality is most businesses, mabagal mag-reply sa customers. Kahit sa mga, halimbawa, pupunta kayo actual sa business, makikita mo ang bagal na process talaga. Which is, most of customers don't like that. Yan. And this is also true. Reality, kapag tayo lahat yung gumagawa sa business natin, yung growth talaga natin, bumabagal. Because we're always catching up dun sa mga tasks na tayo yung gumagawa, kahit na supposed to be, we can leverage yung other tools to do it for us. Okay. So, hindi yung pag yung desire na hindi ka mag-aral ng AI or pag yung issue na to, it's not about laziness, no? Hindi siya talaga about sa laziness. Kasi most of us usually work hard talaga eh. We give more time na eh. So, these are system problems. So, system problems can be corrected or can be solved by AI. Now, sabi mo, Brother Sue, you already mentioned a lot. The question is, ano ba talaga yung maitutulong ng AI sa business ko? Para marami ka nang sinabi, paano ba talaga? So, what AI can actually do for you? So, this one, AI can help you with, number one, marketing content. Nandyan, malaki yung maitutulong ng AI. Yung pagsulat ng caption, pag-write ng content, yung pag-identify ng mga flaws ng business mo, pag-write ng promos, even pag-send ng emails. AI can do that for you. You don't have to spend na ng a lot of time sa front ng computer replying every customer or sending ng mga emails or planning ng mga strategies para sa business mo. And here's the thing. A lot of people or businesses don't invest time in marketing. Busy ako, i-build ko muna yung brand ko. Or hindi ko kailangan ng marketing ngayon kasi mahal din gagastusin dyan, something like that. Pero if you think your brand is better than marketing, here's the thing. Your brand is like in a person, that's who you are. The marketing is how you look and how you speak. No? So tailor yan sila dalawa, hindi pwedeng yung brand lang ang binibuild mo, kundi pati yung how you present yourself as well. Same true with your business. Hindi lang yung brand nakafocus, kundi sa marketing. Importante yon. And sa startups, wala silang time for marketing. Pero this time, with the help of the AI, you can do all of that. You can now plan. Yung sabihin mo, Brother Mike, di ako nag-aral ng business eh. Kasi wala akong time mag-aral nung time na yon. and I don't have background in marketing. The good part, you can ask AI to teach you marketing as well. How to do proper captioning, how to write promos, how to write ng sequence of emails. AI can do that for you. Next thing, customer replies. If you automated your responses, usually on those particular questions, no, yung mga frequently asked question sa social media mo or sa email mo na nag-inquire yung customer, yung mga frequently asked question, what if you can automate yung response that kahit natulog ka, kahit nasa vacation ka, or kahit na may iba kang ginagawa, mayroong nagre-reply sa kanila. AI, that's what it can do for you. Customer replies. It will save you a lot of time sa pag-entertain ng customer. Okay. Also, sa admin work, it will make your life easier sa paggawa ng contracts, mga SOP for your team members, and also yung mga forms na kailangan mo, at marami pang kailangan mo na admin reports. Like sabi kanina, yung inventory. Now, with the help of AI, you can just upload CSV or yung Excel file ng iyong inventory. You can ask AI to analyze it. It can pinpoint you it can give you the report, detailed report based on your request. It can also pinpoint the flows of your report, and it can suggest to you how to improve your report. Or kung halimbawa, yung inventory mo or yung cash flow mo bagsak, pero meron kang listahan naman ng record, ipa-analyze mo kay AI yun, pwede niyong gawin yun. Yung mga, halimbawa, bago mo i-present yung mga records mo sa BIR, pag magpa-file ka, you can also ask AI help kung paano mo yun may i-present ng maayos. At marami pang iba, no, na admin works. It can also help you strategize, build campaigns. Ito, marami sa atin na marami daw successful businesses na nag-start sila without a business plan, which is, that is true to most of the businesses across the world. And sabi nila, great businesses daw are terrible in writing plan and business plans. Pero here's the thing, in this modern era, why not create a plan for your business while it's running, no? Para ma-identify mo yung mga flows and ways to improve your business. AI can help you strategize, give you campaign ideas, and even propose to you mga things to improve your business. So you can write an actual business plan. And the good part, all of this, it will take you minutes. Yung mga bagay na yon can be done in minutes, not hours, in minutes. Imagine how much money you can save, how many hours you can save if you have this tool integrated to your business. Okay, now, for the sake of time, I will present to you some of the tools and how you can do it. How can help you in your business. If you plan na, Teka Brother Mike, gusto ko pang matuto pa dito. Gusto ko pang mag-grow pa. Gusto ko pang malaman yung mga bagay na gusto niyo sinasabi. For the sake of our time, hindi ko siya maibibigay sa inyo ng buo. I cannot even demonstrate you right now how to do it. But if you're in chapter niyo, mayroong someone na may alam, you can organize an activity or a business training, pwede yung live, and then someone will teach you there. Or if you give me an opportunity, you can also invite me na i-discuss ito further sa inyong chapter sa virtual setting, or maybe kapag siguro nagkaroon ako ng time na nandun ako sa area niyo. So I can help you on that. Right now, I cannot perform demonstration, but I will give you how to use AI that you can do, or you can search right away in the internet how to do it. Okay ba yun? Can I get a thumbs up? Bagamat hindi ko sa inyo maibigay yung demo, I will present to you how you can implement it, ano yung gagawin ninyo, then you can search it on the internet. Di ba? Yun. Or you can hold the training and you can invite me or someone else to help you on this one. Number one, paano ba yung ChatGPT makatulong sa akin? It can be your writing assistant. It's like personal executive assistant. Imagine how much will you will going to spend if you're hiring an executive assistant. Mahal, di ba? Pero yung ChatGPT, it can be your writing assistant. Sa paanong paraan? In writing your social media post, not just write social media post, but write social media post or post that converts or actually help you generate money, acquire customers, and increase your online presence. It can also help you sa email, magsulat ng email mo, not just ordinary email, but well written, tailored sa customers needs mo, and at the same time, very professional email. And also, it can improve your product description if you're selling right now ng products and posting social media, you can improve yung product description mo. Can translate also if you're in maybe in Cebu, in Mindanao, or you're speaking different language, ChatGPT can help you translate yung from English to Tagalog and any languages as well. Hindi lang English and Tagalog. So if your product is being sold international and you're not confident enough na mabigyan mo siya ng proper description or promotion because it's in English, and most of us, even me, I'm not very good in English, so we can use ChatGPT to write the English version of our description sa mga products natin. Or also, you can generate business ideas. Pwedeng kung gusto mo mag-start ng new business. In fact, brothers and sisters, one of my agency, which is a chiropractic agency, nag-start siya as a parang tawag nito, case study using AI. So, yung aking chiropractic agency, and it offers social media marketing. So, if you want to start new business, ChatGPT can help you as well. It can also draft contracts and SOPs sa mga processes mo sa business. All you have to do is to describe to ChatGPT yung mga process mo, and then ask the ChatGPT, you write a SOP for me that my employees can use. And ChatGPT will write those things for you. Okay, all you have to do is to go to ChatGPT and discuss or write what you want ChatGPT do for you. Just like the example in the screen. So, I might be going too fast due to our time. So, live naman to sa Facebook. You can always review yung part na discuss natin and pause, or you can adjust the speed of the video. Excuse me. The next thing is the boot cake. Boot cake. Now, meron yung version din. Merong pancake. May pancake, may boot cake, meron pang iba. Okay, so it sends auto replies to Facebook messengers. Okay, so if you set that up, all you have to do is, for example, ano ba yung number one query sa atin ng mga customer? Usually, they ask, di ba, yung price, yung delivery, yung order processes natin. Yun yung usually na nire-reply natin sa mga customers. Pero, if you integrate Bootcake sa messenger ninyo or sa social media ninyo, it will answer your customer sa mga query nila, even if you're offline, even if you're in vacation, even if you're sleeping. It works 24/7 answering yung mga question mo. This is perfect for solopreneurs and yung mga busy na nagbebenta. Walang time to entertain the customers. Okay, so next thing is Canva AI. Before, like I mentioned earlier, Canva is a design tool. It became a substitute from a tool, Adobe tools, such as the Photoshop. Kasi alam naman natin, kapag nag-design ka sa Photoshop, I was a graphic designer before. So, even until now, actually, I do designs. Photoshop is not for ordinary people. Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi ka maalam, it will give you ng stresses. That's why Canva, na-create yung Canva as a design tool. When AI, nag-go yung AI, they integrate it. Now, Canva AI can write your copies. It's like a design tool, no? May design tool ka na, plus may copywriter ka pa. Okay, in one tool. Okay, so sa Canva, meron silang dalawang unique features, and the recent update of Canva, ito yung bagong features nila, yung Magic Write, wherein you can generate caption and contents, and then after generating those contents, you can use the Magic Design to create yung graphics. And you can do it in fast. All you have to do is to type the prompt. It give instruction, and then the Canva will do it for you. And also, kapag nandiyan na yung design, it is a drag and drop. Diba? Drag and drop lang siya, using yung simple tools lang, pwede mo na siyang baguhin yung design. And the good part is maraming templates ang Canva that you can use for free. No? Marami na kayong, kumbaga, nandiyan na yung design, papalitan mo na lang ang details, papalitan mo na lang ng photo. And yung free version niya, it will help you a lot kaya hindi ka mag-upgrade. Pero kung gusto mong gamitin pa yung mga ibang features, of course, there is an option to upgrade. Now, with these tools, I will help you identify kung ano ba yung AI na para sa business mo. Ano ba yung parameters? Ano ba yung mga kailangan kong listahan na gawin para pag nakita ko yung AI na yon, malalaman kung yun ba ay makatulong sa akin o hindi. Bakit kailangan yung right tool sa AI? Or bakit kailangan natin ng tamang AI para sa atin? Kasi maraming trending ngayon eh. Maraming popular na AI, thousands of it, and not all of those AI can help your business, or not all of those ay kailangan mong gamitin. Even 2 to 3 or 2 to 5 na AI lang, marami ka nang makakomplete sa business mo. So, hindi mo kailangan i-test lahat ng AI. The thing is, kailangan mo hanapin yung tamang AI para sa business mo. So, ano yung mga parameters natin? If you're looking for an AI, you need to ask yourself these questions. Number 1, ito bang AI na to makakatulong sa akin na makasave ng time this week? Yun yung number 1 question na parameter natin. Number 2, can I use it without a tech team? Ibig sabihin, user-friendly ba itong AI na to? Na kahit na ako lang, kaya ko siyang gawin and makapag-provide siya sa akin ng better result. Number 3, does it solve the real bottleneck? Talaga bang ma-address nito yung problema ng business ko? Or based on the reviews, the tutorials, talaga bang makaprovide ito ng result na makahelp sa business ko, maka-cope up sa trend ngayon, especially sa pag-grow using artificial intelligence. Okay, and lastly, can I use it at least 3 times a week? Kaya ko ba itong gamitin? Or pwede ko ba itong gamitin? Yung AI na to, at least 3 times a week. If nagpasok siya doon sa parameters na yan, at least 2, no? 2 to 3 doon dito sa mga question na to, then you can you can pick that AI for your business. Now, I will not be limiting you for these questions. If you want to try other AI, you are free to do that. No one is trying to push you back, no? The choice is yours. Okay. You don't have to use the trendy. Kailangan mo lang gamitin is kung ano yung works for you. If na-test mo na, teka, yung AI na to, hindi siya effective sa business ko. For example, kayo na may nakita kong DeepSeek na binanggit ng isa nating attendees or participants. So, if DeepSeek is working well sa'yo, why not use DeepSeek instead of ChatGPT? Diba? Kung saan ka mas comfortable and saan makakatulong ito sa workflow mo yung AI na gagamitin mo. Now, bagamat nasabi ko kanina na kunti lang yung time natin, ay meron akong prepare dito na 7-day action plan, AI action plan for you na pwede mong gamitin as a starting today or tomorrow as you go to learn in this business conference. Pwede mo i-implement ito kagad, or you can create your own action plan after this. This is just an idea that I want to give you para naman meron kayong action plan after this. Kasi kahit gaano kagaling yung mga speakers natin sa business conference, kahit gaano kaganda yung diniscuss nila, kahit gaano kaganda itong mga AI na to na natutunan natin, if we don't take action, all of it are useless, no? So what you will do is to start small lang muna. You have to build fast and apply it daily. So imagine this. If you want to integrate AI, yung isang task lang na mababago mo sa business mo with AI's help, it will convert you into a win. Now, one at a time lang na task. Okay? So, here's number 1, day 1 that you can do. You can try ChatGPT or other AI tool na prefer ninyo, pero this was ating action plan. Right now, you can do it. Try ChatGPT as something na you want to do ng AI para sa'yo or ng ChatGPT para sa'yo. We have this example in the screen of the prompt. It could be better yung prompt natin, pero I would like you to just try it first. Try first yung ChatGPT. Ano ba yung feeling, di ba? To communicate with that. And some of you might be using ChatGPT already. Okay? So if you want to unlock more features of ChatGPT, learn more about ChatGPT, I would say that I'm not an expert on that, but I think I am doing good of that as well. because it's part of our training, no? Meron akong certificate for from engineering sa ChatGPT na yan. And we build GPTs for businesses. Okay. So day 1, try ChatGPT. Day 2, use ChatGPT for customer replies. Now, may mga queries sa atin na lagi sinasagot. You can ask ChatGPT to write common customer replies like delivery. Paano ba yung proper na response sa delivery, sa pricing, sa orders. Meron dyan sample sa screen. So, and save all of that because on day 3, you will now set those auto replies. Yung kanilang ginawa mo sa ChatGPT ng day 2, you will automate it using the Bootcake or other same platform that replies to the customer sa Messenger. Na kapag nag-type sila ng magkano or paano ba mag-order, saan ba pwede umorder, available pa ba ito, automatically the Bootcake will process the response to you na ginawa mo on day 2, yung mga ginawa mong responses. On day 4, you can use naman yung Canva Magic Write to write ng mga promotions sa Facebook or sa social media. You know, I think yesterday si Brother Carl nag-discuss about the importance of social media. In this time pero sa mga businesses ngayon, we must understand that the currency at this current era is attention. If your business, like Bill Gates said a long time ago, if your business is not online, you're out of business. Social media is one of the fast way to promote your business. And with the help of AI, like this one, mas madali yung magiging promotion mo, mas magiging confident ka to promote your product or services online. Okay, Canva Magic Write for headlines, and then you convert that into a good image, and then you can post it to social media. Now, also, you can create now, starting on day 5, you can create ng business strategy for your business. How good is that? Magkaroon ka ng time na to create ng strategy with ChatGPT, ha? So, you just type it on day 5 kung ano yung gagawin ni ChatGPT para sa'yo. Yeah. On day 6, build reusable AR prompts. Now, your business has ample processes. All you have to do is to take yung mga prompts na kailangan mong gamitin, lagi mo ini-inquire sa AI, and use that prompt. Magkaroon ka ng isang document, i-copy mo lahat ng prompt doon, na yun ang lagi mong gagamitin kapag halimbawa ito yung sa particular question, ito yung prompt ko, and then just paste it to ChatGPT. Here's the best part. If you're using the Pro, which I recommend in the future, if you're using the ChatGPT, for example, ChatGPT help you and you think it can help your business, I would suggest that you upgrade for a Pro plan. Because yung mga prompt na ito na i-build mo, pwede mo siyang i-upload kay ChatGPT using a custom built ChatGPT in the backend, and hindi mo na siya kailangan gamitin palagi na kailangan mo mag-copy and paste ng prompts. Kapag na-set up na siya sa backend, all you have to do is to talk to ChatGPT in automatic. It will respond to your preference. No? So, pero for now, you can collect a lot of prompts and put it in a document. Pwede sa Google Docs, or sa notes mo, or pwede sa Microsoft Word, or any resources wherein you can compile all the prompts. And also, I will be including some of the prompts in the toolkit that I'm going to send you. On the 7th day, all you have to do is to analyze, no? Reflect. Ano pa yung mga bagay na pwedeng maitulong ng AI sa business mo? And analyze mo rin yung 7 days. Teka, may nabago ba sa process? May nag-improve ba? O wala? And then after that, you can ask ChatGPT also for help kung ano yung next week na action plan mo. Ano pa yung pwede kong i-improve sa business ko? And you talk to ChatGPT as if like it's an assistant, no? Usually parang parang minsan naging sabi nila over-reliant sa AI. No, just talk it like like it's your assistant. And you will see a dramatic change. Hindi lang sa business mo, kundi sa iyo rin personally, kasi lahat of information, maraming information ka pang mas matutunan na, bago pala yun. Okay pala yun. So, meron palang ganito. Why I'm recommending this to you, brothers and sisters? AI have an access to a worldwide data. Data from great businesses, from small businesses, all of those data na access ng AI. yung mga kapareho mong businesses, may access din siya sa data ng mga successful at saka mga business na nag-fail doon. Now, with all those data, with the right conversation with the AI can reveal it to you. No? It can help you. Now, in preparation for this presentation, I interview one of my friend. He's actually from Davao. I know some of the members here watching is from Davao. And maybe kilala niyo yung person na to. And for the sake of time, I will not play the whole video, just a very small portion part of it, and I hope I can and you will hear it. Okay, so meet Ayan. Ayan is my friend, Paalan. He is now a co-founder. He is a CEO and founder of Passion and Purpose Digital. Sa Davao, he is a creative strategist sa Facebook ads. He's also a digital marketing coach and a consultant and a speaker as well. Nagtitrain siya kung paano mapadali yung ads at the same time yung online sale process. And he offers yung service niya locally and international with that. So, si Ayan, bakit ko siya in-include sa aking presentation? Because this friend of mine started a business, digital marketing business, that serves local and international customers just last September, last year. And this person is really maximizing AI para sa business niya. And nung nakikipag-usap sa kanya, he's so happy to share kung paano yung AI nakahelp sa kanya and sa kanyang mga customers. So, this man is now trying to scale his business to go to 6 to 7 figures, no? From just last September, almost a year. Okay, using AI. Now, I'm going to play a video. I'm not sure Brother Joel and Sister Rachel if they will hear it, but I will try to share the sounds then para sa video. Okay? So ito yung message niya para naman sa atin sa mga startup natin na nagdalawang isip or gusto naman na i-try yung AI. So he will share part of our interview para sa inyo.
Okay. If you are
Okay, so let me know kung nagpi-play yung sound ko or hindi para ma-address natin sa Brother Joel.
if you are a startup business like me and you decide not to use AI, good luck. It's because you will get trampled by those people na start still na same niche mo, na same service or product or offer, but they use AI. AI is the only way for you to scale and build your business fast. And remember, a business needs to serve my first 2 years to say that it's surviving. And it needs to survive at least 5 years to say that it's thriving. So imagine you are a startup and odds are against you. So use AI to your advantage. So that lahat tayo.
Okay. So yun. So the good part din ng interview niyan, si Ian, he's a very passionate guy and maybe some of you in Davao nakikita yung kanyang mga ads sa Facebook. He's a very good friend of mine and if you want to work with that person, I recommend him to you. No? So this guy also yung interview namin I think it's 40 minutes. It will be included in our AI toolkit. Mayroon din kayo matutunan doon sa kanyang business processes, how he use AI. So it will be included in the toolkit as well. All you have to do is to register and or scan the QR code and we will send you the toolkit within 24 hours. Now, the next thing that I would like to introduce to you is Pivolim. I don't know if you're familiar with this person or Coach Pivo. He's running ads across the country, and he's one of the youngest achiever in the world today in terms of business, sales, and marketing. He is currently running a 9-figure business and continually building an empire with the help of artificial intelligence. And here's the thing, thousands of people from different sectors, business sectors, attend his monthly AR marketing summit. I was lucky to be part of that, not just as a participant, but also a crew of that event. And also si Coach Pivo, siya yung aking first client for the last 15 years of servicing, helping businesses across international stage sa mga client ko. Coach Pivo is the first Filipino client I ever take. No? I ever took here in the Philippines. Si Coach Pivo is one of my client. He is my previous client actually. And he's a very good person. And this guy, bakit ko ba shinare to sa inyo? Imagine this. He's holding an AI marketing summit every month, and attended by thousands of business owners. If AI is not good enough for business, why do you think thousands of people flock together to attend that training in the summit? I believe Brother Nat also attended to one of the training as well. Coach Pivo. Yan. And these business owners in various age din. Iba. Meron ako dyan na-meet na 16 years old. Meron din ako na-meet na 60 plus years old. Imagine that. Hindi siya lang para sa mga bata, pati rin sa ating mga nakakatanda. So, if these people, these business owners, trying to cope up to the new challenge of the technology, trying to learn AI so that they can grow their business, do you think you're exempted to that? Palagay mo ba exempted yung business mo? Or palagay mo ba hindi ito okay sa business mo? So, brothers and sisters, AI is the new thing or the big thing in this new generation ng technology. Yung nag-launch siya ng 2022, yung ChatGPT, naging big thing yung AI, pero nagkaroon sila ng forecast sa Business Insider at saka sa online that AI will continue to thrive and grow. And yung expected na mag-boom siya, that was 2022 to 2023, where the news came up that AI is still baby on a baby stage niya. Bata pa yung AI sa time natin. And yung expected boom niya is 2026. 2026, that is next year, already 2025. So if we're looking at AI right now, it's like a primary kid now. And still growing and growing and growing. So if you think this little kid now, the AI, can help your business, while not dive in right away habang nasa development pa siya. So that pag nag-boom siya ng 2026, mas maalam na kayo. Mas ma-integrate nyo na ng maayos yung AI sa business ninyo. Diba? Come to think of that. Okay. So, before I end my and as you my presentation, and as you take the next step in this AI journey sa business niyo, I want you to understand this. Doing tasks manually for your business can be mean survival for your business if you're doing it manually without automation. But if you integrate AI, it can equal to growth of your business. And you don't need to work harder and harder to grow. Hindi mo kailangan sobrang ma-exert na extra effort or more time just to grow yourself and your business. What you need is to work smarter with tools that help you multiply your time and helping you buy back your time as well. If you're familiar with Dan Bartel in his book, Buy Back Your Time, AI can help you achieve that. Okay? And in this journey, you're not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa dito. Like yung mga attendees natin, mga new businesses, startups, even sa buong Pilipinas and the whole world, hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami pa yung nag-aaral na sinusubukang i-integrate yung AI sa business nila. And it can be you as well, someone who is integrating AI sa iyong business. And AI is not about replacing people. You know, when it launched, ang daming nag-react na people. Maraming nawalan ng trabaho and meron namang nagkaroon ng maraming trabaho. Pero it's not about replacing people. And technology evolves not to burden us but to help us na mas mapadali yung buhay natin. It's about empowering business owner like us, like you, to do more with less stress. Okay, let AI be your new teammate in the business. Invite mo yung AI. I-hire mo siya personally para sa sarili mo, sa business mo. Okay, all you have to do is to start where you are right now. Kung ano yung kalagayan mo ngayon, go start now. Use what you have. We have already presented some of the tools that you can use, and we will be sending you more tools later na pwede mo pang gamitin, and you have to grow with confidence. The good thing about this, you can do it na malaya kang magkamali. Kung hindi man ma-respond ng tama kasi mali pa yung mga instruction or hindi mo pa na-come up yung mga great ideas from AI, still try and try and try, no? Parang tayo ditong baby na nag-aaral din how to walk. So kapag nagkamali ka, just try again. Hindi ka naman papagalitan ng AI or no one will go and sermonan ka sa pagkakamali. No, hindi ganon. All you have to do is to start trying and grow with confidence sa business mo. Now, if you're still interested or hindi ka pa nakasulat, again, if you want to receive a special bonus, go to the link below, there's a presentation, or scan the QR code and we will send you in 24 hours the tools, the recording, and also the prompts and other stuff na I feel makakatulong sa business ninyo in the next 24 hours. All you have to do is to register on that particular page. Okay, so now I will give the back. Thank you very much for your time.